What's up, y'all? It's the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. Your boy, B.O.B.S, CoolCat-Mitch, YouTube representing the Boyz. Before we start this video, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Mitch channel. Also, subscribe to the Birds of Broad Street YouTube channel with me, Simone, One Trey Rock, Smitty, and Notion Gang. Also, subscribe to the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel with me and MK Mitch Kowalski. And also, subscribe to the Y'all Still Them Boys YouTube channel where I deal with them straight rats, the Dallas Cowboys. So please, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Connor, Birds of Broad Street, Y'all Still Them Boys, and the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. September 4th, the Philadelphia Eagles will kick off the 2025 NFL season as the defending Super Bowl champs. They will raise a banner and we will celebrate Simone Staley's birthday early. But who will our Week 1 opponent be? Let's break it down and talk about it right now. What's up, y'all? It's the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. Your boy, Mr. CoolCat-Mitch, YouTube, representing the Super Bowl champion Philadelphia Eagles. 120 days till the Philadelphia Eagles kick off the 2025 NFL season, where we will drop a banner and wish my sister Simone with the Eagles an early happy birthday. We talked about Detroit and the Commanders as a potential Week 1 opponent the past 2 days. And I was going to go with the Rams to talk about right now. But something happened. Something happened. A little breaking news, if you will. Yep, some breaking news with the
Dallas Cowboy trash.
So the Dallas Cowboys have traded with the Steelers to get wide receiver George Pickens. And because of that reason, we're going to talk about
Dallas Cowboy trash.
Yeah.
Dallas Cowboy trash.
You're still third place. You're still third place. Congratulations on getting George Pickens. Congratulations. You're still third place. Why? Because of Dak Prescott. Because of Dak Prescott. Yeah. Listen. I posted on X, no excuses for Dak Prescott. It's put up or shut up. You got wide receivers in CeeDee Lamb and George Pickett. You got a running back by committee. You got Jake Ferguson. You got a good offensive line. You got Micah Parsons. You got a couple good defensive players. Y'all young. But if Dak Prescott fails, when he fails, you won't be looking at Jerry Jones or Stephen Jones. You won't be looking at Shoddy. You won't be looking at the pieces around him. You'll be looking at Dak Prescott. You'll be looking at Dak. You'll be looking at Dak Prescott. It's time we stop kissing this guy's ass. It's time we stop. Okay? Listen. Congratulations. You got yourself a weapon. You made a blockbuster trade according to some Cowboy fans. But just remember, A.J. Brown and Devontae Smith is still the best wide receiver duo in the NFC and the NFC East. And it's not even, the NFL. And it's not even close, man. It's not close. It's not. Y'all not contenders. Y'all pretenders. Right? You're pretenders. You're not catching up to this. You haven't closed the gap to this. Look at this hat. Look at this hoodie. You haven't closed the gap to this. Watch some of these Cowboy fans in the media say, they're going to close the gap to the Philadelphia Eagles. They're going to close the gap to the Philadelphia Eagles. Oh, the Eagles, baby. Here's Cole Cowboy and some of these Cowboy fans. Oh, the Eagles are nervous. Oh, they're talking about Jordan Pickett. They're talking about Jordan Pickett. They're nervous as hell. Stop. Right? You got the facility already talking. Can Pickett get Dak over the hump? No. And also, here's what's funny, Cowboys. Don't George Pickett got issues? Like he gets mad when he don't get the ball. He got character issues. So y'all brought in a guy that if he don't get the ball, if he gets like 2 catches for 1 yard, he's going to get pissed off. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't understand. We ain't what? As a Philadelphia Eagles fan, okay? As a Philadelphia Eagles fan, I'm not worried. I'm not scared. I'm not shaking in my boots. I'm not. You think I am? I'm not. Listen. I'm not. I'm the champion. I am a world champion. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. What a beautiful day. Right. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. What a beautiful day. I'm begging. I'm pleading. I'm begging to the NFL for y'all to be our week 1 opponent. Because think about this, Cowboys. If y'all are the week 1 opponent, if Jerry Jones is begging Mike North and the schedule makers to make y'all a week 1 opponent, which probably won't happen, but if they do, Y'all gotta watch a banner drop. Wish Simone Staley happy early birthday. Watch the birds come out that tunnel and proceed to watch those birds whoop your ass. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. What a beautiful day. Congratulations, George Pickens. Welcome to the NFC East. Don't forget, when you walk into the NFC East, your first thing to do is to acknowledge me. Okay? So before you sign your contract with Dallas and all that, the first thing you need to do is call Jalen freaking Hurts and say, acknowledge me. You acknowledge him. That's the best quarterback in the NFC East and the best quarterback in the NFC. Okay. Tomorrow we will be talking about the Rams. I just wanted to get this breaking news in. So, tomorrow we will be talking about the Rams as a potential week 1 opponent. So, fly, Eagles, fly, go Birds, and Dallas still suck.
Fly, Eagles, fly, on the road to victory. E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagles!